Boost your energy by fixing your digestion. Here's how. Did you know digestion can use up to 10% of your daily energy? That's right. Your body burns a big chunk of its energy just to break down food, sometimes even more than a 30-minute walk. So, if your digestion isn't running smoothly, it's no surprise you feel drained, sluggish, and out of focus. But the good news: you can change that. Today, we're diving into the fascinating link between gut health and energy levels. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Why digestion drains your energy. Have you ever felt completely wiped out after a big meal? Instead of feeling energized, you end up tired and craving a nap. Why? Because your digestive system is working overtime. When your digestion isn't efficient, your body has to work harder to process food, leaving you with less energy for everything else. Think of your digestive system as a car engine. If it's clogged, it needs more fuel to run and won't perform at its best. Now, let's break down 5 key ways improving your digestion can help you feel more energized, focused, and productive every single day. 1. Efficient nutrient absorption. Unlock your body's full potential. You could be eating all the right foods, leafy greens, lean proteins, superfoods, but if your gut isn't absorbing those nutrients properly, you're missing out on their benefits. When your digestion is working optimally, your body breaks down food efficiently, allowing essential nutrients to be absorbed into your bloodstream. These nutrients are critical for energy production, brain function, and a strong immune system. Let's highlight a few key players. 1. Iron helps transport oxygen throughout your body. Low iron levels can leave you feeling tired, foggy, and weak. B vitamins convert the food you eat into energy. Without enough B vitamins, you'll feel sluggish and drained, no matter how much you eat. Magnesium supports over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, including muscle function and nerve signaling. A deficiency can cause fatigue, anxiety, and even insomnia. If your digestive system is struggling, your body won't absorb these nutrients effectively, and that's a recipe for low energy and burnout. So, if you want to supercharge your energy, start by improving your gut health. Think of your digestion as the gateway to vitality. The better it works, the more energized you'll feel. 2. Balanced blood sugar levels. No more energy crashes. Ever wonder why you feel an energy crash after lunch? It's often because of blood sugar spikes and drops. And guess what? Your gut plays a huge role in managing those levels. Here's how it works. After you eat, your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, your cell's primary energy source. But if your digestion is sluggish or your gut bacteria are out of balance, your body struggles to process glucose efficiently. This leads to blood sugar spikes, followed by that dreaded crash. What's the fix? 1. Fiber-rich foods slow down glucose absorption. 2. Probiotics and fermented foods promote a healthy gut microbiome, helping your body manage blood sugar levels more effectively. By keeping your blood sugar levels stable, you'll experience consistent energy throughout the day, no more post-lunch crashes or sugar cravings. 3. Reduced inflammation. Why a healthy gut is key to feeling energized. Did you know that chronic inflammation could be draining your energy? Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and when that balance is off, your body triggers inflammation as a defense mechanism. However, chronic gut inflammation can cause fatigue, brain fog, and even mood swings. Here's the fix. Focus on gut-friendly foods like yogurt, fermented vegetables, and high-fiber fruits. These foods promote healthy gut bacteria that reduce inflammation and protect your gut lining. When you reduce inflammation, you'll feel more alert, energized, and even notice improvements in sleep quality and mood. 4. Better sleep quality. The gut-sleep connection. Did you know your gut health has a direct impact on your sleep? Here's why. Your digestive system produces 95% of the body's serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, stress levels, and sleep cycles. Serotonin is also a precursor to melatonin, the hormone that controls your circadian rhythm. When your gut is healthy, your body produces optimal levels of these sleep-regulating chemicals, helping you get better, deeper sleep. But when your gut is out of balance, you may experience difficulty falling asleep, frequent waking during the night, poor sleep quality. Improving your gut health can lead to more restorative sleep, and as a result, you'll wake up feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to take on the day. 5. Enhanced gut-brain connection. Boost your mental well-being. Here's something fascinating. Your gut and brain are connected through a powerful communication system called the gut-brain axis. This connection happens through the vagus nerve, which transmits signals between your digestive system and your brain. When your gut is functioning well, your brain receives clearer, more positive signals. But when your gut is in distress, due to poor digestion, imbalances in gut bacteria, or inflammation, your brain picks up on those negative signals. What does that mean for you? Poor gut health can lead to anxiety and depression, brain fog and mental fatigue, mood swings and irritability. But when your gut is balanced, you'll experience better mood and mental clarity, reduced anxiety and stress, sharper focus and improved memory. Quick tips to improve your gut health and boost your energy. Droplets. Stay hydrated. Water helps your body break down food and absorb nutrients. Broccoli. Eat more fiber. Fiber-rich foods promote healthy digestion. Garlic. Include fermented foods, think yogurt, sauerkraut, and kefir to boost gut bacteria. Pill. Consider probiotics. Supplements can help balance your gut microbiome. Cut back on processed foods. They disrupt your gut's natural balance. Final thoughts. Your gut is the key to lasting energy. If you've been feeling drained, sluggish, or unmotivated, don't overlook your gut health. By making small changes to support your digestion, you'll notice a huge difference in your energy levels, focus, and overall well-being. So, remember, a healthy gut equals a healthier, more energized you. Take care of your gut, and watch your vitality soar. Want more energy-boosting tips and gut health hacks? Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more wellness advice that can transform your daily routine. And don't forget to comment below what's one thing you'll change in your diet to boost your energy. Let me know, I love hearing from you. See you in the next video, and remember, your best self starts from the inside out.